Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Callistus. I am the founder of Global Eyes Modern Technologies. In this training series, we are going to talk about generative AI and its implementation using Landbot by creating a chatbot system. When a new content is created by artificial intelligence, it is called generative AI. To elaborate more on this, generative AI is a technology that generates new content by utilizing texts, audio, files, or images. By using generative AI, computer dictates the underlying pattern and produces a creative and a trendy content. Especially anytime an artificial intelligence technology generates its own content, whether that's text, visual, or audio. Professionals refer to this as generative AI. This may also include technologies which are used to create website articles, article summaries, corporate brochures, press releases, white papers, using information collected from the internet. Generative AI is listed as one of the strategic technology. Businesses are exceptionally excited by the possibilities of specialized generative AI models because they can be trained on organization-owned corporate data and they can collaborate with knowledge workers to dramatically boost productivity. In case you are not aware, generative AI has taken over the tech world with the various services it's providing now, such as content creation, text generation, query solvers, image generation, video creations, and many more. Generative AI has revolutionized content creation, and nowadays, creating content is more promising. An example of generative AI, which is common to almost every business around the world, is Chatbot, which has taken the world by storm. Generative AI has launched a new era in technology that promises greater productivity and new ways of solving business problems, thanks to their ability to write human-like conversational text. Chatbot can express complex ideas synthesized from the vast volume of information on which they are trained. Have you ever wondered what provides those instant responses when you interact with your online banking system like loan processing, providing you step-by-step conversational guidance, or forecast cash flow, predict market trends, and identify potential risk, empowering Treasury Department to make more informed and strategic decisions? The answer might surprise you. It's not just human, but artificial intelligence, and that is generative AI in action. The future is now. Yes, you heard me right. Now, the future is now, and it's being shared by generative AI. Imagine a painter with an infinite palette. Now, imagine the painter is not a human, but a machine. Generative AI also works much like that. It's a subset of artificial intelligence that leverages on algorithm to produce something new and entirely original. The generative AI tool provides answers to all sorts of your questions, summarizes complex information, and generates diverse ideas quickly. To help us understand generative AI and its implementation in our everyday activities, I have created a training video to implement chatbots. For this chatbot implementation, we are going to be using Landbot Application. Landbot is a powerful no-code chatbot builder that allows you to create engaging conversational experience for your website, business, or messenger. In this training series, I will guide you on the process of getting started with Landbots, exploring its dashboard and features, and creating your own simple chatbot, which is a subset of generative AI. To stay informed and updated about this training series, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be notified once we release any of our training videos or podcasts. See you in the next training. Till then, bye for now.